young generation, basically, I would say that in today's day and age specifically, there's a lot of resources that are there around them. They need to really be observant and learn from them, because access is plenty, and you just within one Google click, you can basically get access to trainings, tutorials, and all of that. So young people these days just need to be very observant and learn from everything around them. The second point I would say is that they need to try their hands at different roles and basically find their area of expertise. Like, don't go for a role just because you feel, oh wow, she's a brand manager working for Apple, and I want to be there. But is that something that really drives you, or would you wake up to that energetically every morning? So that's something that they have to identify. Just work in different roles, find what's your area of expertise, and then go for it. Third thing I believe is it's very crucial to learn from people with good experience, right? So today, with the age of access to so many mentors and so many leaders, I think definitely young talent should approach people with good years of experience, someone who has a lot of subject matter expertise and knowledge in that particular field. Consult them before going into any particular job role or any particular industrial sector. And lastly, something that is very important and has always helped me, that every young person should keep into account, is the quality of being humble. I think without that, whatever you may be, you do not get that same kind of recognition if you try to be humble. So I think humility is at the heart of everything you do, and I practice that.